So our renovation was a total facelift on the property. It was a very ugly 1960s house prior, and so we wanted to achieve something totally different with the new look of it. We live on a street where loads of houses look really different, so we wanted to make ours stand out. We went for a very New England style house. We spent a summer in Cape Cod and loved the style of the houses there. So we thought Cedral gave us that look that we really wanted, which was really clean, white and bright. We did quite a lot of research before as to what the market leaders were in terms of weatherboard, and Cedral was one that really stood out. And we followed a few other projects on Instagram that were using Cedral, and they were really happy with it. And I did contact them and got some really good recommendations regarding that. We managed to order a number of samples really easily, and we could compare and contrast the look that we wanted and what we were looking for. We went round to our neighbours' houses and put it up against some of their render to see how the colour looked. So it was good to be able to see it and feel it and see what it looked like as well. We went with Cedral because of the durability element of it. Obviously, it doesn't require any maintenance long term against real wood. Traditional weatherboard can degrade quite quickly, so it was really good that this would last for years. We love how it looks now. It's a total transformation from what it was previously. Coming home, sometimes it feels like you're on holiday rather than in England, and we can't believe it's our house, really. I would definitely recommend Cedral. We really like the look of it. I think it was quite easy to install, and it seems really easy to maintain going forward as well.